Hello. Why didn't anyone want to talk to the circle? It was pointless. All right, so you probably can tell from my cheesy math joke that I'm one of the math teachers. My name is Andrew Schrader. I teach elementary math fundamentals and prep for pre-algebra and pre-algebra. So those are the math classes I teach. I like math because it really caters to the way I think. I like having a problem that has like one answer that you apply a process to and you get to the answer, and then you can apply another process to check your answer. That just like really appeals to me, and I realize not every child is like me and not every child thinks in that way. So one of the things I do to try to make math more interesting and lively is we do math journals. And this kind of helps appeal to the students who are maybe more creative and artistic, maybe think in a little different fashion. And so, the students use like scissors and markers and paper and tape, and they create these math journals. And obviously it teaches math concepts, but it makes it a little bit more interesting and maybe makes math come alive, or at least that's what I try to do with the math journals. So that's maybe can kind of help all students have a love for math, or at least understand it. I also am going to be heading a math club this year. It's called Math Olympics. It's sort of a drill club. One of the things I've noticed in all my math classes that was lacking in my students was just knowing and having fluency with math facts. And there's just not enough time in class to go over all the math facts. So that's going to be the purpose of that math club. And I know it's drills, so I'm gonna research the best way to make it the most exciting and fun way to do it, but it will be drills, so I don't want to mislead anyone about that. And I also teach music here. I teach band. So if you have a child who wants to learn an instrument, has no knowledge of music at all, that's fine. And never touched an instrument before, that's fine. They can learn how to play a musical instrument. I also have intermediate band for those who have already been playing an instrument for a year. And when you learn how to play a musical instrument, private lessons are great. There's nothing wrong with private lessons, but I think there's something that's definitely missing with the private lesson idea, in that you don't get to play with others. And I think that's one of the most exciting things about learning how to play a musical instrument, is playing with others and playing the same song together, the same piece, playing in harmony. I think it's a magical thing. So music has been a part of my life for many, many years, and I'm a composer and arranger. I actually also teach music theory for anyone who's interested in learning music theory. Might have an interest in composing or arranging music someday. So those are the classes I teach. If you want to take a closer look at these math journals afterward, you'll understand them a lot better by looking at them than me explaining them. But thank you.